Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to see chapter number 7, matrices and determinant from second volume. So here, this is very important and easy chapter for you to learn. So we know already, as soon as you heard the word matrices, you already have learned this chapter before. The basics also in previous classes we have learned. Once again, I am just recall some basics and directly we will go for the basic problems. Here, the first general form of a matrix, we know that it is m rows and columns, which can be written as A is equal to A in square bracket Aij m cross n. This is the general form of a matrix. Sir, how can we write? It's the elements can, the rectangle array, we can say that it is called rectangular array. It can be, elements can be displayed in the square bracket. So how can we display? For example, A is equal to, in square bracket, some elements A11, A12, A13, like this up to A1, n number. This is called a row. This is called a row. It is implies m. Then another row I am going to write A121, A22, A23, etc. go up to n. Next A31, A32, A33, etc. up to A3n. So this is called a matrix. Like this we can arrange the data in this rectangular, in the square bracket is called matrices. So here, this is, we know that this line, this is called a row. We have 1, 2, 3 rows in this matrix. This is one row, this is second row, this is third row. It is implies m. What is n? N means it is column. N represents columns. So column can be identify these rows. See here, A11, A2, A11, A21, A31 is called a column. If you arrange like this, it means column. So this is one column. So we have several columns in this matrices. So this is the general form of matrix. We know this one. Already we have learned in the previous classes. In the basics of matrices, already we learned in 10th standard. So it is not difficult for you to understand. So, but it is a general form. A matrix can be written as a general form. A is equal to square bracket Aij. I reflect to rows. J reflects column. M cross n can be the arrangement of the matrices. Okay, now next zero matrices and null matrices, void matrices. See zero, what do you mean by zero matrices? The whole matrices, the whole bracket is zero elements are called zero matrices or null matrices. Matrix. See, if all the elements, all the values are zero means it is called zero matrices. So this is the example for 2 cross 2 matrix and 3 cross 2 matrix. Whatever the arrangements in the matrices, if all the values are zero, it is called a null matrix or zero matrix. Next one, square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of columns. If, for example, here we have 1, 2, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. What about column? 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. So both are same. M cross M equal to 3 cross 3. Both M and N both are equal means it is called a square matrix. Next, unit matrix. A square matrix is which all the diagonals entries are 1 and the rest are all 0 is called a unit matrix. It means identical matrix. We know this. In 2 cross 2 matrix, how can we write 2 cross 2 matrix? 1, 0, 0, 1. 2 cross 2 matrix. This is called identical matrix. Identical matrix. See the diagonal. See the diagonal, which all the diagonal entries are 1. Diagonal entries are 1. Rest of that values 0 means it is called a it is called a unit matrix. In 3 cross 3 matrix, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the diagonal. So all the diagonal values are 1. But what about other values? It is called a unit matrix. All the other values are 0. So it is called a unit matrix. We can say this identical matrix. This is also 3 cross 3 identical matrix. Okay. So these are the basic information. Exercise 7.1, first problem. Here we have given construct an M cross N matrix. Construct M cross N matrix. A is equal to Aij, this general form, where Aij is given by first subdivision. Aij can be find out from this format, I minus 2j whole square by 2. Here M is equal to 2, N is equal to 3. So in this case, they are asking to find out the matrix. They are asking to find out a matrix A. We have to construct this matrix. Here Aij is given the format. How will you find out? So Aij is an element inside the values which is enter in this triangle array. No? So this is the values of in rows and columns. The values which is found by this format. So first we have to identify the matrix order. So order is M cross N. M is 2, N is 3. So here I am going to arrange a matrix A equal to 2 cross 3 matrix. 2 cross 3 matrix. See here 2 cross 3 means we have to construct a matrix which is 2 cross 3 matrix. See, I don't know what is the exact values. Here I am going to give you general values for the matrices. This is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Look at this. Here, this is one row, this is another row. So 2 rows. This is 1, 2, 3 columns. So 2 cross 3. Generally, I have arranged the general form of a matrix by using 2 cross 3. Then I have to find out the exact values for these arrangements. Here, the condition is Aij is given. Aij should be found from this given information. Okay. What do you mean by A? Sorry. What do you mean by I? What do you mean by J? So I reflects M. J, it is, sorry, I supposed to be from the row, J supposed to be from the column. Here it is a form of Aij is first one. I am going to find out A11. A11 can be written as, this is a form of I, this is J. This is 1 is I, J is another one. So here this format we have to take to find out this exact value. So here the format is I minus, here what is I? Here I instead of I we have 1 minus 2 into 1 whole divided by 2. This is supposed to be squaring. So this will be 1, 2 into 1, 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 square is plus 1 by 2. So A11 value is 1 by 2. Next A12. I value 1 minus 2 into 2 whole square by 2, which is 1 minus, here 2 into 2, 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 square is 9 by 2. So this value is 9 by 2. Next A1 3. Here I value is 1, j value is 2 into 3 whole square divided by 2, which is 1 minus 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 1 minus 6 minus 5 square is 25 by 2. Next A21. Next element A21 is, here I is 2, j is 1. So 2 minus 2 into 1 whole square by 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So numerator 0. The whole element will become 0. Next A22. Here I, this is j. So here 2 minus 2 into 2 whole square by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 square, it's 4. 4 by 2. If I cancel it is 2. Next A23. 2 minus 2 into 3 whole square by 2, which is 2 into 3, 6. 4 minus, sorry, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Minus 4 square is, sorry, 2 into 3, 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16 by 2. Don't cancel it, we'll see. Okay, now enter all the values which is found from the given information. Now A11 value is 1 by 2, A12 value is 9 by 2, A13 value is 25 by 2, then A21 value is 0, A22 value is 2, A23 value is 16 by 2. Here we can take 1 by 2 commonly outside from all the entries, all the values. So if you take 1 by 2 commonly outside from the first row, 1 by 2 came out, remaining 1. Here 9 by 2, 1 by 2 came out, remaining 9. Here 25 by 2, 1 by 2 came out, remaining 25. Here 0 will be 0. Here 2 is there. So here if you take 2, if you multiply 2 by 2 with 2, it will be 4 by 2. So instead of 2, we can write 4 by 2. Instead of 2, we can write 4 by 2. So 4 by 2, if you take 1 by 2 out, it is remaining 4. Next 16 by 2, take 1 by 2 out, remaining 16. This is the required matrices for the question number 1. See here, the once again I just tell you how to understand this problem. Here they ask you to construct a matrix which is given information. The information is given Aij equal to, this is the condition to find out the Aij. So matrices is given, the how many rows, how many columns is given. Here 2 rows, 3 columns given. So using this condition, I have formed 2 cross 3 matrices. This is a general form of matrices already I have given. So A11, A2, A12, A13, up to we have A1n, etc. So but we need only 3 columns. So we can stop up to here. So we can stop up to here. Then I'm going to, this is general form, but we need exact value for this given required matrices. So here I'm just finding the values of A11 by using this condition. So by using this condition, I have used this condition and find out the value of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. All the values we have found it. Then we are applying in the matrices, in the square bracket, it is 2 cross 3 matrices. Here as it is, it's okay, but we have 1 by 2 common in all the elements. So I am taking 1 by 2 commonly outside. I will get a perfect value for A. So this is the answer. So this what we can find out like this kind of problems. Here we have another problem is given in the question number 1. I mean the second subdivision. Here we have given m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. This is a 3 cross 4 matrix. So we have to arrange 3 rows and 4 columns. So here we have to arrange 3 rows and 4 columns. A11, A12, A13, A14, because we have to arrange 4 columns. So same like that. A21, A22, A23, A24. Next third one, A31, A32, A34, sorry 3, A34. That's all. This is 3 rows and 4 columns. Using this, using here Aij, some other condition is given. So using that conditions, we can find out A11, A12, A13, A14. It's like A21 and A31. So all the values you can find out like this and apply it in the box. You will get required matrices. Okay, now you can do it in this problem in your own. Next we can go for the second question. So second problem is find the values of P, Q, R and S if the condition is given P square minus 1, 0, 30 minus 31, Q cube, 7, R plus 1, 9, minus 2, 8, S minus 1 equal to 1, 0, minus 4, 7, 3 by 2, 9, minus 2, 8, minus 5 by 4. So using this condition, this is given. Using these conditions, we have to find out P, Q, R and S. So how can we find out, sir? Here, look at the given information. This is one 3 cross 3 matrix, another one 3 cross 3 matrix. They are saying that both are equal. If two matrices are equal, the corresponding values are equal. We can confirm that if two matrices are equal, we can confirm it. The corresponding values are equal. I mean, this value and this value equal, this and this equal, and this equal. So A11, A12, A13. Here A11, A12, A13. So if two matrices are equal, the corresponding values are equal. Using this definition, I am going to find out the required values. Okay, now by the definition, the corresponding values are equal. So this A11 and this value equal. So using this, I am going to find out this P value. So P square minus 1 equal to 1. So P square equal to, if I bring this side, 1 plus, if I bring 1 this side, plus 1. So P square equal to 2. So P equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. This is one value. Next, Q value. So I am going to take this element and I am going to equate with minus 4. Minus 31 minus Q cube equal to minus 4. So bring this Q minus Q cube this side and this one this side. Minus 31, this will become plus 4. This is plus Q cube. So Q cube equal to minus 31 plus 4, it's minus 27. If you take cube root for minus 27, it is minus 3. Q value is minus 3. Next, R. Where is R? Here I am going to equate R plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. r plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. Carry this 1 to the side, r equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. Cross multiply, r equal to 3 minus 2 by 2, this 1 by 2. So, r is equal to 1 by 2. Next, they ask him to find out s. S, where is s? This element and equate with this element. So, this is so s minus 1 equal to minus pi. Carry to this side, s equal to 1 minus pi. So, this is the value of s. So, we can find out, we can found the required values p value, q value, r value and s value. So, the here what we learnt, if two matrices are equal, we can confirm that the corresponding values are equal. So, by this condition we have found this value. So, question number 2 over. Next, problem number 3. Determine the value of x plus y. They are asking to find out x plus y value. The condition is given if 2x plus y, 4x, 5x minus 7, 4x equal to 7y minus 13, here y x plus 6. So, here the condition is given two matrices are equal. So, already we know this, if two matrices are equal, corresponding values are equal. We can equate the corresponding values. So, by using that definitions, I am going to find out the value of x and y first. First, how can we find out the x value? Here I am going to take this term and this term to find out directly x value. We can take any value, but here if you take this value and this value, this corresponding values, it will be easy to find out x value. So, 4x equal to x plus 6. Carry to x this side, 4x minus x equal to 6. 4x minus x, 3x equal to 6. So, x equal to 3. If you bring this side, 6 by 3, it is 2. So, now we got the value of x. Next, y value. How can we find out y value? Any value you can take, this value and this value, this corresponding value you can equate this, 2x plus y equal to 7. Already we know the value of x. If you substitute here, 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 into 2, 4 plus y equal to 7. So, y equal to 7 minus 4. If you carry this side, minus 4. So, y is equal to 7 minus 4, 3. We got x and y value. What we are asking to find out? X plus y. So, finally, the value of x plus y equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This is the answer. Next, go for problem number 4. Problem number 4. Determine the matrices A and B if they satisfied 2A minus B plus 6 minus 6, 0. It's given information. Minus 4, 2, 1 equal to 0. And A minus 2B equal to 3, 2, 8. Minus 2, 1, minus 7. So, these two informations are given. They ask you to find matrix A and B separately. Both are required. See here, look at this condition. See here, I am going to convert the given conditions like a linear equations. See, how can we make it this one? 2a minus b equal to, I am going to bring to this side. When you bring this whole matrix to other side, it will be negative because it is positive. So I'm going to make it negative. So if you make it negative, so automatically minus will multiply throughout the square bracket. So minus 6, this will become plus 6, 0, no affected. Minus 4 will become plus 4, minus 2, minus 1. So this is called equation 1. What is second equation? Second equation, there is no changes. You just write as it is. A minus 2b equal to 3 to 8 minus 2, 1 minus 7. This is equation 2. Look at these two equations. It's like a linear equations. We know already how to solve the equations, elimination method. Here first I just want to eliminate the b. How can we eliminate? If you multiply 2 with equation 1, here you will get 2b, here 2b. If you change the sign, automatically b will cancel, you will get matrix A. Now, I am going to multiply 2 with equation 1. So, if you multiply this 4a minus 2b, throughout the equation we have to multiply 2, including the matrices, including the matrix. See here, what will happen when you multiply 2 inside the bracket? Minus 12, it's 12, 0, it is 8, minus 4 and minus 2. So, this is one equation. Next 2 I am going to write as it is. So, here a minus 2b equal to, what is this? 3, 2, 8 minus 2, 1 minus 7. So, here I am going to change the sign, here minus, here plus, here minus. So, what will happen? So, this minus 2 and plus 2b will be cancelled. Here 4a minus a will become 3a equal to 1 by 1. How to negative? We know this, how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. We know very well in matrices. We know how to add two matrices. We know how to multiply two matrices. We know how to subtract two matrices. Just element to element. See here minus 12. Here minus. We have to change throughout the. We have to change the sign of throughout the matrices. So if you change here, it will become minus, minus, minus. This will become plus, minus. This will become plus. So minus 12. Here minus, since we have minus, so minus 3. 12 minus 3. Minus 15. Minus 12 minus 3 minus 15. Plus 12 minus 2, it is 10. 0 minus 8, it is minus 8. Next 8. Here one minus, already here one minus, so it will become plus. So 8 plus 2, it is 10. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 2, it will become plus, it is 5. So this is the value of 3a. Now I need only matrix A. So I have to carry the 3 value to right hand side. So what will happen? So when you carry to 3 this side, it will become a reciprocal. It will become reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3 into minus 15, 10, minus 8. Next 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 and 5. This is the value of A. Next value, how can we find out value of B? Here we have to cancel the A value. How can we cancel? In the second equation we have to multiply with 2. We will cancel the matrix A, we will get the B value. So 1 as it is, 2a minus b equal to minus 6, 6, 0, 4 minus 2 minus 1, then 2 into equation 2 into 2, what will happen? 2a minus 4b equal to 3, 2, 8 minus 2, 1 minus 7. Now we can subtract this one, change the sign, all the sign here minus. So 2a and minus 2a will be cancelled. Here minus b plus 4b, it is plus 3b equal to the same like that. Here since we have a minus, all the elements in this second matrix sign will be changed. Here minus 3, minus 2, minus 8, plus 2, minus 1, plus 7. Okay, minus 6, minus 6. Sorry, here I forgot to multiply with the 2 in this matrices. We just multiply with the 2. The matrix, it is 6. This is 4, 16. Here minus 4. This is 2 minus 14. Okay, now 6 minus, so minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. 6 minus 4, it is plus 2. 0 minus 16, it is minus 16. 4, it will become plus because minus 4 into minus plus 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 1, here it is a plus 14. So minus 1 plus 14 is plus 13. So this is 3 b value, but I need only b matrix. So carry to other side, 3 become 1 by 3 into minus 12, 2 minus 16, 8 minus 4 and 13. This is the required value for B matrix. See here, if you want to, you can carry 1 by 3 inside the matrix, inside the box. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. Next, problem 5. If A equal to 1A 0 1, then compute A power 4 value. Here the A matrix is given, they are asking to find out A power 4. Here first I am going to find out A square matrix. A square matrix can be written as A into A. So A square, we have to multiply A into A. 1A 0 1. 1A 0 1. First I am going to find out A square matrix. So multiply, we know the multiplication of two matrices, we already know very well. This row and column multiplication. Row and column multiplication. 1 into 1, 1 plus A into 0, 0. Then this row and this column. Then here 1 into A plus A. Next this row and this column. 0 plus 0. Next 0 plus 1. So this is 1, 2A, 0, 1. So this is A square. Next I am going to find out A cube. A cube, how can we find out A cube? A into A square. If you multiply A into A square, we will get A cube value. So A, what is A? 1A 0 1 into A square is 1, 2A 0 1. Now row column 1 plus 0, here this row and this column 2A plus A. Then this row and this column 0 plus 0. Then this row and this column 0 plus 1. So this is 1, 3A, 0, 1. So this is A cube. Next A power 4. A power 4 can be written as A into A cube. Am I correct? What is A? 1, A, 0, 1. This is A. A cube is 1, 3A, 0, 1. Now multiply this row and this column. 1 plus 0, 3A plus A, 0 plus 0 here, 0 plus this row and this column, 0 plus 1, which is 1, 4A, 0, 1. So this is A power 4 value. By this we can complete today's classes. We will see the next problems, the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.